Hey, I'm Ty with WTI, and this is my ring light. This has been one of the best ring lights I have purchased thus far. What I love about this ring light is that the actual light itself, the bulb, is about 13 inches wide. So it's pretty huge and is able to put out a lot of light. I also love that you're able to change the temperature of the light. So you can change it to a warm tone or a cool tone, and it has a daylight tone. I also love that within those temperatures, you are able to adjust how bright or how low the light is. So I love that feature of it. I love that you are just able to plug it in and get started. And I love how you can adjust this tripod that it's connected to. You can make it till it's about almost 6 feet tall, and or you can take it down to where you can literally pack it into your suitcase. So I love that feature, and that's my point of view.